Mridangam lesson. A Tirmana in Aditala. It has three varieties A, B, and C. Item A is in Chaturshra Madhyama Kala, 8 beats, 32 letters. Item B is in Tishra Upper Kala, 8 beats, 48 letters, which is equivalent to 32 letters in Chaturshra. Item C is in Chaturshra Upper Kala, 8 beats, 64 letters, which is equivalent to 32 letters in Chaturshra Madhyama. Item A in Chaturshra Madhyama Kala. Takadinna tim, takadinna tim, takadinna ti tadikitatu 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 tim. Item B in Tishra Upper Kala, that is 6 letters per beat. Takadinna takadinna tim, takadinna takadinna tim, takadinna takadinna ti tadikitatu tim, tadikitatu tim, tadikitatu tim. Item C in Chaturshra Upper Kala, that is 8 letters per beat. Takadinna 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 tim, takadinna 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 tim, takadinna 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 ti tadikitagati, tadikitagati, tadikitatu tim.